Gukoretwo na wagagu Akenya makioneka kwaga kwiganira na ikinya rĩa thirikari rĩa kweheria mukana wa miaka 10 hari uhuthiri wa irio cia GMO guku bururi-ini. Riri Akenya amwe nao maranyita mbaru ikinya riri. Kuringana na Kamiti ya mbunge igii urimi, kwaga gutaukirwo uhoro wigie irio ici nikuo thina munene. Mbunge wa kwanza Ferdinand Wanyonyi makiuga Akenya marabatara guthomithio uguni wa irio cia GMO.
It's only fair that members of parliament and the general public can now listen to us after this presentation. And I was also not very convinced about the GMO. Of course, I was told that it brings cancer and all other things. It's not true. It's not true.
Wanyonyi augite kwa ihinda riri magetha ni macokete thi na makiria kuri arimi a mbembe, akiuga irio cia GMO ciaya gukorwo nicio mwihoko kwa ihinda riri.
GMO is not something bad. Yeah, it's not something bad. It's not. In fact, I didn't even know, and I've just walked around and I'm told we can also test the product whether it's GMO or not.
Maya mokite riri gikundi kia National Biosafety Authority kiugite kiri na mufango wa gutabania kampeni ya guthomithia Akenya uguni wa irio cia GMO, makiuga riu mari ihenya-ini ria gucaria kigina kiria kirabatarania kuhungura thiini wa county ciothe.
We have requested for financial facilitation from government to revive a program that was initiated in 2008, which tells all of us that the need for public awareness, public education, and effective communication was identified way back in 2008, even before the enactment of the law.
Murugamiriri munene wa gikundi giki Dagitari Roy Mugira augite ni megukorwo magikuruhania mbunge na thirikari cia county gutigirira ni makinyira Akenya aigi o tauria kwa hoteka.
We want to have a structured program, and we have asked for financial facilitation to be able to develop that, either by reviving the bio-aware program or even restructuring it, so that we can get to the mashinani.
Mwenaini wake Professor Richard Oduor kuma thukuru wa University ya Kenyatta augite irio cia GMO ni iguteithiriria muno mathomo ma aruto university-ini ino hamwe na arwaru a murimu wa mukingo aria mafataraga mirire ya mwanya.
Sometimes when there is a ban lifted, then it means there could be also ease of importation of particular food formulations. For instance, those people who are having HIV, for instance, they need to get foods that are more nutritious, and some of the formulations that we require as supplement are genetically modified.
Hadine ha Kamitii TV, Jutagogena wa Waduro.
Tusonge nyuma.